So last year we brought in the 7-in-1 Taskstation from Buildcraft. When we hit it up on TikTok, it went viral. We ended up getting a ton of pre-orders, but now we just wanted to take you through the features of it in more detail. So we'll start off by taking it down to its creeper, and then we'll move up through the 7 stages that this great product can do. Turn it down into a creeper, it's really easy. All we have to do is fold these legs back. And as you can see, they've got swivel wheels here, which will help with movement. So the good thing about the creeper is that it gets you low enough to get under anything like cars, trucks, where you can do repairs, and it's easy, and it moves you around, no bother at all. So the second mode for this is the dolly. As you can see, it's got a part here that you can hook onto, and that makes it very easy to just pull it along behind you. Now, if a dolly doesn't suit your needs, you can always use it as a truck. Put your cargo on it and push it away. So to go from the truck to the platform, it's really easy. All we have to do is fold these arms down, lift it up, make sure your wheels are locked, and pull out your legs. And there you've got a platform ready to stand on and get you up high for any job that might be needed. But that's not all. As well as being a platform, you can put this up, use this accessory, and now you've got a scaffolding. Again, just to help you when you're doing a job, you've got your tools and accessories here right at your fingertips. To go from the scaffolding, again, it's quite easy. All you have to do is drop that down. And then to extend the legs, there's these dots here that you just press in, and that lets the legs extend out. So as you can see, I've extended these legs now, and that creates a brilliant workbench for any job. So aside from using it as a workbench, you can also use this as a sawhorse. Your clamp can just fit in there, and then it's just a case of clamping down your wood, and away you go. Easy peasy. So that's it from the 7-in-1 from Buildcraft, where you have a creeper, a dolly, a truck, a platform, a scaffold, a workbench, and a sawhorse all in one. So pick up yours today.